Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert figure captions and table titles over pictures in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and select the References tab up at the top, and then where it says Insert Caption, go ahead and left click on that. Versus caption, go ahead and insert the caption you want to provide here. If there's a caption, a label, go ahead and insert it. So if you have an equation, figure, or table, you go ahead and select that. And then once you've made your selection, go ahead and select where it says OK. And there you go, guys. Now you see there is a caption for this picture. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.